What's up guys, Justin here with the CGEssentials.com, back with another Blender new version update video for you. So this is going to be kind of a quick video, but I wanted to talk about the new development coming up with Blender 3.0. So they are targeting December of this year for the new release of Blender. So if we take a look at the message, you can see that they've basically noted that they're planning on releasing on December 1st for Blender 3.0. And so some of the big features still expected to be contained inside of Blender 3.0 are Cycles X, the asset browser. They are making changes to geometry nodes as well, so we've seen a lot of big movements in that. You can see all of those by going to the Blender 3.0 release notes, which I will link to in the notes down below. I did want to know, because I actually didn't know very much about this. I didn't know too much about the EEVEE Reactor, but they've basically linked to this blog post where they talked about what they're planning on doing with EEVEE. So I'm not sure exactly how I missed this, but I missed it, so here we are. But basically they're planning on rewriting or reworking EEVEE's core architecture for a lot of new features. So like screen space, global illumination, hardware ray tracing. Note that they're not planning on making the whole thing a ray tracer, but there are parts and pieces that will be, as well as a bunch of different other improvements. So I will link to all of this in the notes down below, but I think it is fairly exciting that they're going to be doing that with EEVEE. In the meantime though, while we are waiting, so you can still download the Blender 3.0 alpha version. So you can do that by going to blender.org, going to the download section, and then down below in the experimental version, you can click on the button for download Blender experimental. Same warning as always. So I wouldn't use it on anything that you're afraid to lose, but you can definitely test out all of these new features. So you can go into the experimental functions and you can download the master, or you can also go into the different branches and you can download like the Cycles X branch, for example, and try out Cycles X for yourself. So while we do have to wait for the official release, in the meantime, you can still test out and try out these new features. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end this video. Just a quick update today, but leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about Blender 3.0, the new features. I just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.